Every day, bro, Chris Trickle in the floor. Guess what, y'all? Chris Trickle in the house. I drive in the car. I drive in the Ferrari. Guess what, y'all? Chris Trickle in the house. I chillin' in the flow. I driving in the cruise. And guess what, y'all? I keep an eye on my Benz. I see all your style in the flow. He got the awesome dance moves. And guess what? He's a great dancer in the world. I drive it in a car like Tesla. It's my favorite dream car. Guess what, y'all? I am the beatboxer / rapper. And guess what? I dap in the haters. I don't care about the haters. Keep on subscribing to my channel, y'all. You're awesome. Peace.